Hello traders, welcome to Keep Common Trade. I have a position in Bank Nifty on the selling side. Okay, so around cost to cost or 10 points loss is running. I just placed my order at 12:38. Okay, so let the trade be completed. I'll explain the setup. Okay, thank you guys. Welcome back traders. Okay, Bank Nifty is giving good move around 500 rupees profit and it is retracing for now. So this is the position book. Okay, market seems to be sideways. Okay, as soon as it fell, you can see a complete recovery forming a wick. That means this area is a very good demand zone. So this area should be broken in order to make a downside fall. Okay, so or else there are very chance that from morning it is respecting one trend line here. Okay, if it breaks, definitely a very good up move can be expected and we might end up hitting the stop loss. Let's see guys, this small trend line is broken, but you can see a very big wick formed. So this is a clear demand zone. Let's see guys, around cost to cost the profit is running or profit or loss is running. I'll update you guys. Thank you. Welcome back traders. Trade is against us, so around 1500 rupees running profit. So we are here. So 92 points is our stop loss. So still holding in the trade. Let's see guys whether it falls or hits our stop loss. I'll update you. Okay, thank you. So Bank Nifty is falling, but one problem we have is the trend line is broken. It came for a retest of the trend line. Only if in case if it's a fake breakout, then there are chances that it will fall, or else it will take a support here and it will come like this. It takes support and it will hit our stop loss. Okay, let's wait guys. If it makes any green candle on this trend line, we will try to exit the trade considering it's a retest. Else we will stay in the trade. Okay, it should break with a good red candle on this trend line. See, it's forming a green candle. That means it's a clear retest. Okay, so in that case we will exit the trade. Whatever loss is there, we will take and exit around 1200 300. I'll book and exit. Okay, welcome back traders. Finally, I booked a loss around 90 points. This is my order book and this is the position. Let's get into the setup. Okay, so morning I was observing this trend line. Okay, and you can see it took support multiple times and finally it broke. Okay, but I wanted to make entry after breaking this level because this level was continuously taking support and it there were chances that it might reverse from here. So I was waiting to break this level. After breaking only, I was planning to make the entry. In fact, it broke. This level clearly broke, and even it retested this level. So after that, a red candle is formed. Okay. So I made my entry just below the red candle. You can see this is 12:38. If I go to my order book, 12:38, I made my entry. Okay. So after breaking this red line, sorry, red candles low, I made my entry. So what happened is actually it's a fake down, fake out, okay, whatever you call. It just started making the wicks and it's a clearly a demand zone. I made my short entry in a demand zone. So that's a wrong decision. And one more thing, guys, buying at the day's high, shorting at the day's low is always risky because whenever you're trying to buy at the day's high, so it might be already oversold. Okay, sorry, overbought. Selling at the day's low, it might be already oversold. So in that cases, we should be very careful. But today I made a mistake, shorting at this level, but that's okay. After that, market started making higher highs, okay, and took away my stop loss. This is what I was planning. This is what my risk to reward was. So I gave away around 90 points. Okay. So that's what. If you can't be right always, whenever you are wrong, book your loss, but always keep in mind, try to protect your capital whenever you find trend is reversing, it's a good idea to book your losses instead of waiting for a stop loss. Okay, that's it for the day, guys. Thank you.